starting applications too late. You need to plan in advance. This is not something that you want to do at the last minute. Applying to inappropriate schools, yes. So if you don't have what the school is asking for, you're not competitive. Including inappropriate experience. Just remember, every experience you share as part of your application should show two things: commitment and progression. Commitment, because you don't want to show that you just do this once, just because you want to check a box. Progression, because that shows that you're a person that has a lot of drive and that is always progressing. So not answering the questions being asked. Yes, this is especially true for secondaries. You should always take every question as an opportunity to showcase the skills that you have developed. Poorly written personal statement, essays, or entries, do take the time to write them and make sure that the content is fantastic, and also spelling, grammar, punctuation. You don't want to type it to just be the cause for your documents to just end up in the rejection pile.